Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. This video is specially on demand for our cat lover viewers. Here we bring quick and easy 3 DIYs for our cat lover friends. And before proceeding, please click on the subscribe button and all bell icon to receive all the further notifications. So the very first is home is where my cat is signboard, for which we are taking 4 cardboard pieces house shape, and we will place them one on top of the other, stick them together to form a thick house shaped block. On top of that, we will place a strip of cardboard and create a house shape. You can keep it as is, or you can paste a white or any other colored paper on it. I pasted white paper and then I started painting it with a flesh tint color as a base coat. I applied 2 coats of the base color and then place it for drying. This base can be any color of your choice, and on top of that you can write any quote or phrase for the cat lovers. So I am writing home is where my cat is. I used black acrylic paint for writing. You can use dyes or stencils or markers for writing. You can also stick stickers if you have. There is no rule for crafting. Crafting can be as per your choice, as per your thought, your imagination. Whatever looks good to you, to your heart, you can draw, you can write, you can scribble. So it is all up to you. If you are a dog lover, you can create similar signboard with the word dog, as it will state home is where my dog is. Along with this quote, I am also drawing a cute little heart-shaped cat, or you can say a heart in a form of cat, to show your love for cats. Moving on to our next DIY, that is a wall art, for which we would need a frame, a scrap paper. I am using a scrap white paper on which with colored pens I am writing. In a free hand I am writing these in bold letters, and also if you will see, I am writing a few letters in a form of a drawing. So for writing live, I have selected a fish bone for representing I, a heart for representing O in a word love, and the last word meow, in which I have represented a O in a form of yarn ball. So I hope you like this. This is a Pinterest based DIY. So let me know which one you like the most, 1, 2 or 3. Let me know if there is any other idea of writing these 3 words, so that I can also incorporate that or use that in my next DIYs. So I filled in O with different lines, curves, in order to form a yarn ball, and it looked really cute and lovely. In order to fill in the letters, the blocks that I have created, I started doodling in the word love, and for live and meow, I just scribbled across all the letters and fill in the words. Again, you can use colors of your choice. It's all up to you. You can modify this. Please let me know if you try this, how it turned out to you, and if you like these DIYs. They are really very quick. I created them in no time, and they look really lovely, pretty. I hope my cat lover viewers will also love it. Please let me know if you want to see more such DIYs. I enjoyed doodling a lot. If you want to see more such videos on doodling, you can check out the description box. The links are already provided there. I just started scribbling inside these blocks and fill in the letters in order to complete it, to color them, and they really look lovely, and it was so quick and easy to make. I always try to bring some easy craft ideas for all of you, because I understand not all of us are great artists or crafters. So in order to decorate our homes, in order to recycle things, to save our planet, we should always do something or the other to recycle waste and create something best out of it. So I always try to make crafting easy for all, so that they can also contribute in saving the planet and recycle the waste they have in order to create beautiful things. So after I was done with writing the three words, I used a frame and placed this paper inside it, and see how lovely it looks. So the last DIY is we are painting a tote bag which states meow, and also M and W are representing two black cats, and they look really very cute with tiny whiskers and cute little eyes. So it was very easy to make. You just have to write the letters and it is done. I had also painted another tote bag for our plant lover friends. If you have not yet watched that video, go and watch now. The link is provided in I icon above and also in the description box. I hope you enjoyed watching these DIYs. Please comment your feedback and suggestions. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe now. If you are still watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. So give it a thumbs up. Your comments, your suggestions help us motivate, grow and improve. Do not forget to share our videos with your friends. Please like, share, comment and subscribe now.